Travels with Roy Wiss.
So you're watching this because you want to know what caravan should you really buy. And most people get it wrong, and it can cost you thousands of dollars or worse, ruin your dream trip. You know, I've spent over 25 years building, designing, repairing and selling caravans, and today I'm going to tell you the truth about what caravan you should actually buy. I'm Roy Wiss, and this channel is about helping you avoid expensive mistakes and making sure you buy the right caravan the first time. Because here's the reality. There is no such thing as the best caravan. There is only the best caravan for you. Yes, there are some bad ones, but follow my advice and you can avoid that mistake. Now, why people get this wrong is because most buyers walk into a dealership, a sales yard, or even a caravan show. I know, I've witnessed it, and they fall in love with the look, the layout, the shiny finishes, the style, or even the image. They never ask the important questions. Look, I know I'm buying a caravan myself right now, and it's not easy. There are over 200 brands of caravans to choose from, and that's just ridiculous. And they're all making wild claims. So your first question should be, what am I actually going to do with this caravan? What am I towing it with? What is my budget? How many people is it for? Do I want single or island beds? Do I want an east-west or north-south layout? Do I want a separate ensuite? Or can I live with a combo? How long do you plan travelling for? Single axle or tandem? All of these questions need to be answered before you walk into that showroom or onto that caravan show. But people don't. And that's where it all goes wrong. So first off, define your travel style. Before you even look at brands, you must decide how you're going to travel. Are you a holiday traveller? Are you going to just do caravan parks, sealed roads, occasional weekends? Or are you going to park it in the back garden and use it as a granny flat? You do not need a full off-road caravan. Look, if you're a semi-off-grid traveller, where you have a mixture of parks and free camping, some dirt roads and longer trips, you need balance, not extremes. Now, for a full off-road traveller or an outback traveller, remote travel, corrugations and long-term touring, now you need some serious engineering. You don't need that marketing. Buy the wrong fan for your travel style and it will cost you. Ask to read the warranty. It's way too late after you've purchased the caravan. The 5 things that actually matter. Look, forget the sales pitch. These are the 5 things that actually determine if a caravan is right for you. We start with the chassis and build quality, and this is the foundation. If it's not built properly, nothing else matters. I've seen beautiful caravans fall apart because the chassis wasn't up to it. Check the weight and towing. Most people are towing more than they should. If your vehicle is struggling, you've already bought the wrong caravan. You should check out my other video on this subject. And of course, there's power systems. Lithium versus AGM, and I have a separate video on that subject too. Solar capacity, inverter size. If you want freedom, power really matters. Water and storage, simple question. How long do you want to stay off grid? Are you going to enough fresh water and enough grey water? Grey water is an important one nowadays. That storage will allow you in or out of parks. And of course, number 5 is the after sales support. And this one catches people out because when something goes wrong, and it will, who's actually going to help you? The biggest mistake? Well, the biggest mistake I see is buying a caravan based on brand instead of purpose. Just because a brand is popular does not mean it's right for you. My honest advice, if I was buying a caravan today, and by the way I am, I would choose the right size for how I travel, the right weight for my vehicle, the right level of off-road capability, and the company that stands behind their product. Look, I do look for that RV Map badge. I know it makes a difference. Look, read reviews, talk to owners, do your own research. Just remember, every person's experience will be different. But if there is consistency reports, buyer beware. And not the ones with the best sales pitch or best deal on the day. If you're about to buy a caravan, don't rush it. Do your research, ask the right questions, and most importantly, buy for how you travel, not how it looks. Thank you for watching Travels with Roy Wiss. Do us both a favour, like, subscribe and comment. I'm keen to hear your views. Oh, but don't forget that notification bell. And please check out those other videos in the description.
Roy Wiss.